This video shows you resources seniors can use to help them find another job or to find job training opportunities. You are required to register with Employ Florida in order to receive reemployment assistance benefits, but it's also a great resource for seniors to help you find another job. The Florida Department of Elder Affairs helps seniors through their Senior Community Service Employment Program. Career OneStop is the U.S. Department of Labor's website where seniors can find resources on finding another job. If you need more help, we encourage you to reach out to your local public library. Public libraries can help with many things, including letting you use a computer, printer, copier, scanner, or fax machine. Some libraries also have staff available who may be able to help guide you through the application process. Find your local library at myfloridalibrary.com. We hope that you found this information useful. Visit our YouTube channel for more videos on applying for reemployment assistance benefits in Florida.